Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to unblock someone. Let's get started. Click the Snapchat app. Great. Now you're going to click your profile up in the corner, click your little person, and then you're going to click the settings icon up in the corner right there. Great. Now you're going to slide all the way down till you see blocked users. Right there. It's an additional services and privacy control. Blocked users. There you go. And I don't have anyone blocked, but if I did, you would just press the name and then it would say unblock user or delete them. Then you unblock them and they'll be right back on your profile. That's it. Pretty easy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. Bye.